could I not try something here? So being that this is such an old phone, right, I don't have really a good Pro mode on here. The only thing I was really able to access here was the raw files as well. So the rest is typical. I can do that. I can raise and lower exposure like so, but I don't have grid lines, no fancy stuff. But I will say, check out the that old Pixel autofocus is still quite good being able to track stuff. It's a pretty messy scene here. I don't know if I have much to isolate. Maybe, is that interesting? I don't think that's interesting enough. See, I like the I really like the light right there. There's lots of contrast. I was gonna maybe try and do a tight one there, but I think we'll just leave it at wide. Tons of fun little side streets here though. All right, let's try here with the moment lens. Alright, it's way too crowded over there. I really don't like shooting just kind of, how can I say, really like HDR images. Is it cool with the fence in the way? So with the Pixel here, if you do 2 times and you shoot RAW, it spits out like a 2 times, like it stays zoomed in with the RAW file as well. I also don't love the sunlight beaming off of the tower. I don't really want to shoot that. I'll tell you what, we'll take a shot here though, just because we're here. Gosh, it's so hot. The tower said 34. This is kind of a nice little back street here. We'll see if I like this spot or not. I would like to start off with a bit darker about there. I kind of like those flowers in the wind. The light right there, but I don't think there's lots of people that way. I don't like people. I don't really want to play around with that. Although, the staircase going up there, maybe if we get our 2 times moment lens on here, get right up here, and then maybe we could 2 times again. That could be nice right there. Now I just have to debate whether I want people in it or not. What about that guy right there? So using the 2 times here on the phone, you do lose out on some resolution, but hopefully we can do some stuff in post to help with that a bit. I'll tell you what, I do really like the street though. We just came from the other side of it. Does this count as leading lines here? Kind of going in, possibly. I think we could go for a 2 times here as well. Let's see, can we get some sun in here? That's nice. I like that. Maybe drop the exposure just a tad. Let's do a scan around, see if there's anything we like here. I do kind of like the building here. And I did purposely come out around sunset just to see if we could get some nice stuff with the timing in general, but I don't know. I really just gravitate towards vending machines and stuff like that. I don't enjoy taking pictures of people, not out in public at least. I don't know, I just I hate those people who go out and say they're doing street photography and they're just taking unsolicited portraits of people. It's not really my vibe. It's cooler back here. Let's see, anything? Honestly, what if we get... Is that cool? Because I don't think it is. I just like the yellow. What about here? Maybe? Ooh, I kind of like this. There's a lot going on here. You know what? I think a 2 times of that bike right in the corner could work. I mean, to be fair, this is a pretty photogenic area, isn't it? Honestly, I kind of like the look of the bike being cut off too. So I've wanted to do something like this for a while now, and I ended up landing on the Pixel 3a XL here just because I do have a couple of backup phones. I have this one, I also still have the OnePlus 7 Pro, but this one here, it is just about, I think, a day older than the OnePlus 7 Pro, so it's also, I think, a more budget phone. I think it was quite a bit cheaper at the time, so I figured this would be a good one to give a go with. Also, I just want to say that this case here, the old kind of Google Fabric case, oh, favorite case ever. Still, I wish they did this kind of thing. I also really like the back fingerprint sensor there. Very convenient. But anyway, just wanted to have a couple quick notes here on the experience with it. So overall, the RAW files with this were actually better than I expected in terms of editing with them. Although quite a bit of noise even in low ISO shots, so basically using third-party denoising software was a must. And also, weirdly enough, using the Pixel 3a XL here, it had a 2x zoom mode, and when you use that with RAW, it actually spit out a already zoomed in file, which is not what usually happens. But yeah, it was still daytime when I was out shooting, so of course there weren't any like super low light tests or anything like that. I might throw a couple photos up here if I take any before the video is edited. And in case any of you haven't seen any of my other videos lately, I was using this right here. It is the Moment 58mm. So what it does is it's basically a physical 2x zoom for your camera here. So I use that for some of the shots with the Pixel here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Do you like my photos? Do you like my edits? So as always, hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.